Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. I'm your teacher, Mrs. Rosemary Raj Duda. Today, we are going to learn from the grammar lesson that is kinds of nouns. नामाचे प्रकार आज आपण शिकणार आहोत. Let us see how many kinds of nouns are there. किती नामाचे प्रकार आहेत? There are 5 kinds of nouns. And which are they? Proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns, and material nouns. These are all the kinds of nouns. And in this video, we are just going to focus on only 3 kinds of nouns today. And the first one we are going to learn, that is proper nouns. Now see children, proper nouns are names given to any particular person, place or things. You should know this definition and you should also by heart this definition. That is, proper nouns are names given to any particular person, place or things. Means a special name given to any person, place or things. Now let us see a few examples of proper noun. See, you can see Ganga, India, Karan, Mumbai, January, Priya, Honda, Jungle Book. These are all the special names given to few people, person, place or things. Now for example, in a classroom, if I have to call somebody, one particular boy, so I will not say, "Hey boy, come here," but I will take that boy's name and I will tell him, "Karan, come here." So that is called as proper noun. The special names given to any particular person, place or things. Now next let us see what is a common noun. Common nouns are names given in common to any person, place, animal or things. It is all in common. There is no special name in this. This noun, common nouns are names given in common to any person, place, animal or thing. Now let us see few examples of common nouns. We can say river, country, boy, city, month, girl, car, book. These are all the examples of common noun. Now river, we don't know which river, but in common we call it as river. Country, we don't know which country. The name, particular name or special name is not given here, but in common we say it as country. So all these things are called as common noun. So now children, let me explain you more clearly here. Now see, I have given two parts here. You will understand now the common noun and the proper nouns. Now you can see river, country, boy, city, month, girl. These are all the examples of common noun. But if we give a specific or a special name to this river, we can say Ganga. Name of a river is Ganga, so it is a proper noun. Name of the country is India. Boy, it is Karan. City, it is Mumbai. Month, it is January month. And girl, it is Priya. So these are the proper names, special names given to these common names. Then we can understand which are the common names and proper names. So by this, I hope you have understood the concept, the definitions of common nouns and proper nouns. Now I just want to take a small test. Okay, let us see. You should answer these questions now. You will have only some time to think and answer. Okay. So now tell me, looking at this picture, is what picture it is? Whose picture it is? It is Sachin Tendulkar. Now you have to tell me whether is it a common noun or a proper noun. And your time starts now. So you have to guess it very quickly. Yes, it's a proper noun. Very good. Now next one. Is it a common noun or a proper noun? You have to guess the answer. Now these are birds and you have to guess the answer. Come on, your time starts now again. Okay, this is common noun. Very good. Next picture. We can see here there are students. Yes, there are students. So now again, you have to answer whether it is common noun or proper noun. Let me see. Okay, your time is began. Come on. Okay, you have guessed it right. It is common noun. Now this is another picture and this girl's name Priya. Now again you have to answer it whether it is common noun or a proper noun. And within this time limit, come on. Yes, good. It is proper noun. And now these are fruits. We don't know which particular fruit, but these are fruits. So is it a common noun or a proper noun? Yes, your time has started already. Come on, guess it. Yes, it is common noun. Very good. Now we have just done a small test. Now you have to do an activity. So what is that activity? Now there is a question here. This is an example for you. Circle the proper noun and underline the common noun. Now from this sentence, Priya is a good girl. So from this sentence, Priya is a proper noun. So we have to circle it. And girl is a common noun. So we have to underline it. So these are the few sentences here. You have to work out this activity. Okay, you write down these all sentences and you do this activity, that is circle the proper noun and underline the common noun. So the first sentence is there: an elephant is the biggest land animal. India is my country. So find out which is proper noun and common noun. The boys were flying kites on the beach. So you have to find all the proper nouns and common nouns from this sentence. There was an earthquake in Gujarat on Monday. Radha bought a bicycle from her brother. Agra is on the banks of river Yamuna. So you have to work out this activity, children, and I hope you will do it well, because I hope you have understood the concept of proper noun and common noun. So let us move ahead. We are going to see the third kind of nouns, that is collective noun. What is a collective noun? A group of collection of people, person we can say, animals or things is called as a collective noun. So it is a group, it is a collection. When we make a collection of many things, म्हणजे आपण भरपूर वस्तू असं एकत्र करतो, गोळा करतो, त्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो? Collective noun. This is called as a collective noun. And now let us see a few examples of this collective noun. See, now in this image you can see there are many flowers, not one flower. There are many flowers which are tied up together. So how do we call it in a collective noun? We say it as bouquet of flowers. It is a bouquet of flowers. Now see this image, children. See this picture. There are many sticks which are tied up together. So this is a group. This is a collection of things. So it is called as a bundle of sticks. Now many sheep are there. And we call it as a flock of sheep. Many sheep are together. So we call it as a flock of sheep. Some more examples. Now see, you can see so many keys are bundled up together. So we call it as a bunch of keys. Next one says there are so many people. There are so many people there in group. So we call them as a crowd of people. And here, what do we call it as? We call it as a galaxy of stars. So these are collective nouns. It's a group of collection of person, animal or things. Is called as a collective noun. So I'm going to give you some more collective nouns. And you have to write down all these collective nouns in your notebook. And you make it a point that you learn them. You should know these collective nouns. Okay, children? In Marathi we call it as Samuha Vachak Naam. आपण समूह वाचक नाम बघत आहोत. So we all I want you to write this collective nouns. A team of players, a gang of robbers, a swarm of bees, a heap of stones, a class of students, a band of musicians, a pack of cards, a fleet of ships, a range of hills, a shoal of fish, a herd of cattle, a crew of sailors. So all these are collective nouns. Few collective nouns I have given you. You write it down in your notebook and you learn them. Thank you.